review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
Crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding. It's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Leatherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday, real life. No matter what real life entails, your Leatherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Leatherman become a powerful force. Leatherman, for real life.
This is the dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the dime.